So I'm gonna start removing this bolt. It's gonna take a 18mm socket. Sometimes it could be that the bolts are loose. That might be the reason that it's leaking. But as you can see, they're all dry. So it wasn't because of the bolts. So all the bolts are removed. Now we're gonna be using a chisel to. So this is the cover that we removed. This is where it was leaking from. As you can see, all around it's dry, and right here is wet. So we're gonna clean the cover and the differential side. We're gonna clean the cover. As you can see, this is the old silicone. So we're gonna remove all of that using some sandpaper, and same thing on the differential side. We're gonna be cleaning all around this, and we're also gonna be cleaning the inside right here, this little groove. Just make sure you cover it. We're gonna be using the starting fluid. I don't want any of that to go in, so that's the reason I cover it like that and clean out the whole area. So just make sure you clean out the port. So we're gonna be putting some silicone around it. This is the type of silicone that we use, and we're just gonna put a thin layer of it around it. And we're also gonna be putting some silicone around this edge right here. And on this part right here, just make sure you just go around the edge right there. So we're gonna be putting some silicone around the differential side. So we put some silicone around the cover and on the differential. Now we're just gonna put it in place. So all the bolts are aligned. Now we're just gonna bring them in. We're just gonna put some oil in the yoke. So now we're gonna install the yoke. We're gonna be putting it in the same position that we took it out. We marked it before we took it out. So just make sure you mark your yoke and positions. So we're gonna put some Loctite, just a little bit. And make sure you put in the washer first. And the nut, it's always recommended to use a brand new one. In this case, we're gonna be using the old one. So that's ready right there. Now we're gonna put in the drive shaft. Now we're gonna align the drive shaft. And we're gonna put in the bolts. So we're gonna be putting the bolts. These are brand new bolts, so we're not gonna be using any of the Loctite. They already come with it. Just make sure if you're gonna use the old ones to put some Loctite. Make sure you run them by hand first before using any of the tools. Make sure they're going straight, and then you can start using a ratchet, and then you can just use the impact. So this is a 1/2 inch 12-point socket. So everything's ready now. It shouldn't leak any more oil. So thanks for watching.